Hi everyone. You might remember the video about Asus G14. Issue with that laptop was BIOS, but we noticed one RAM slot on the board was not working. So I decided to take the CPU out so I can rebuild it and install it back, hopefully. So let's try to clean this board and CPU and rebuild the CPU. After that we can try to install it. Let's start with the CPU first. Let's change the tip on the iron. Okay. So with this tip, I don't think it will fit. Yes. So we will put it like that. I bought this soldering wire, single layer one. I don't know if it's going to perform like normal version. Let's see. I had this one, but this one doesn't work as intended. Okay. I will do something like that. Okay, let's see. I think this is enough. I will use it like this. Let's see. Yes, this feels much better. Okay, I think that worked pretty well. I don't know how well you can see. This is so much better. Now I want to use my new tool. I need to remove this mounting bracket first. Okay, let's wait it. I got direct hitting stencil for this chip. I hope it's correct one. I think it's the correct one. We will see. Okay, this heated up. Finally. Hopefully I did not damage the board because I bent it quite a bit. Let's clean this. Doesn't going like I was hoping. I think it looks alright. Yeah. So I need to rebuild the CPU. I need my Microsoft. Okay, this looks good. But I did not add any flux. So I will add a little bit flux. Now I need to find something so I don't dump bunch of balls on the table. This will do. Let's see. Okay. Okay. This was not enjoyable. Right now every hole has a ball. I did not enjoy that. I don't think I can record that, but let's see. Well, this is the best I can do. So let's try it. Few balls is missing. I need to add them. This side looks good. There is one missing. I can show you. This one is missing. This one is missing. This one is missing. And this one here. Other than that, this one is missing. Okay, it looks like adhered. Let's clean the pads. Okay, let's clean it with IPA. Well, okay, I think it's settled, so we will check after it cools down. Okay, let's try it together.